kids! Are you ready to explore the jungle and meet some amazing animals? Let's discover their sounds together. Come on, let's go! Look, here's a big, strong lion. Did you hear that? The lion goes roar! Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. Wow, so mighty! There's a tiger in the jungle! The tiger growls, grrr! Tigers have beautiful stripes and are excellent hunters! Look at this cute panda! The panda makes a soft sound, kind of like... Pandas love to eat bamboo and are so gentle. Whoa, look up high! There's a tall giraffe! Giraffes make a soft humming sound. With their long necks, they can reach the tallest trees for yummy leaves. Here's a hippopotamus splashing in the water. The hippo goes grunt, grunt. Even though they're big, hippos love to swim and stay cool in the water. Look at the monkeys swinging in the trees. Monkeys love to chatter and screech. They're so playful and love to jump around in the trees. Whoa! Look at the big bear! The bear growls, grrr! Bears love to eat berries and honey, but don't worry, this bear is friendly. Look up! There's an eagle flying in the sky. The eagle goes, screech! Eagles have sharp eyes and can fly high above the mountains. Oh, look! There's a crocodile resting by the river. The crocodile makes a low growling sound. Crocodiles love to relax by the water, but they can move quickly when needed. Wow! We met so many amazing animals today. Each one has its own special sound. Thanks for exploring with us, and see you next time for more fun animal adventures. Bye-bye!